Okay, so I thought we could go over the iOS 18 preview. iOS, so including, of course, the iPhone, including iPadOS, and even macOS. So let's actually get into it. First of all, there's gaming on here right now, which makes me think that we will be able to reliably game on an iPhone in the future. I mean, don't get me wrong, we can right now, but if it's going to be made even better, that's even better, right? This looks like a custom. Oh, wait. Let's actually check it out, okay? Because right now, that looks like a custom thing, like everything's been modified. So we'll actually see. Okay, so it starts with Apple Intelligence, which on all iPhone 16 models, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, iOS 18 introduces Apple Intelligence, which draws on your personal context to give you intelligence that's most helpful and relevant to your beta, coming in beta this fall. Okay, so this actually seems like it could be a good idea because of the fact that it seems like it's going to be more customized towards each individual, which I'll be honest, I don't mind at all because it seems more like it could be like a personal assistant. Now, I mean, now it's convenient, don't get me wrong, but it being detailed to me, we'll see how it goes. If you think too hard about it, it could be a little scary. But right now, it seems good. It seems good. Okay, personalize your home screen layout. This is where we got the customize thing. Okay, a new look for app icons. App icons and widgets appear even sleeker with the new dark look. Tint them all with any color or have iOS suggest a color that complements your wallpaper. Oh, so you'll be able to actually tint them whatever colors you want. You can just have them match your wallpaper, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I don't know how much I'm going to be playing around with that, but it is a real cool feature. Big update to Control Center. Okay, let's see. Redesigned the Control Center featured new groups of controls which you can access with a single continuous swipe on the home screen. Okay. Okay, that's not bad, I suppose. I'll be honest, I'd have to wait and see it in my hands to actually know what they're really talking about. I think I have an idea, but I'm not entirely sure. Rearrange and resize your controls. Oh, okay. You know what? That could be good. You know, being able to resize stuff, not always good, right? Let's see, your entire library organized just for you. I'm guessing it can organize it by people and whatnot. I'm assuming this has to do with AI being able to reorganize it for you. Okay. And I'm assuming just by people, it detects if it's a person by there being a face in it, I presume. Okay, messages. in addition to bold, italics, underline, and strike through, you can also apply playful animated effects to any letter, word, phrase rather, or emoji in iMessage, many of which are automatically suggested that you type. Okay, not bad. Stay connected when you're without Wi-Fi or okay. So this is one of the via satellite things. Let's see. You can now schedule a message to send at a specific time. Wait. Did that cost any extra money? Like, huh? Like, schedule a message. Oh, okay. You know what? That actually is pretty cool, though, being able to schedule a message. I don't know what it means by stay connected even without Wi-Fi, but anyway, being able to schedule a message is pretty good because I used to use this browser source back in the day to schedule certain things, and there was an app that also could schedule messages on the Android, so it's nice to know that we have this on iPhone, or we will have this on iPhone. Mail categories, okay. Primary transactions, updates, and promotions. Okay, that's not bad. I wonder if it would just automatically decide what is primary for me and what is more important for me. Safari, fine. Safari's getting an update. That's good. Between you and me, I don't really use Safari on my iPhone. Password app. Password app is interesting. Okay. That's interesting. Maps. Okay, which maps is this? Huh. Okay, well, I don't really get out a lot, so the idea of maps doesn't really feel too much to me. But this, however, does. Game mode. Maximize gameplay performance. Game mode minimizes background activity to sustain consistently high frame rates for hours of continuous gameplay. Game mode dramatically reduces audio latency with AirPods and makes wireless game controls incredibly responsive. Okay, wallet. Tap to cash. Oh, bring the paper. Oh, okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it said pay privately. So what I'm pitching is two people at like a New Year's party. They put their iPhones behind their back so they can, bring them together to make a payment. I know that's not how it is, but just the wording there, it makes me think of that. Pay using rewards or pay in installments. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's see. View your rewards or points balance in redeem points with Apple Pay online in apps. Okay. Not bad. AirPods. Okay, hands-free interaction. Say yes with a nod or no with a shake? What? That, that's crazy. Wow. Huh. Interesting. So they're making the buttons on the AirPods because yes, AirPods do have buttons. I always have to tell people that I feel like people I'm around that aren't like super tech type people. But yeah, they're making it so you use your body as a gesture. That's pretty neat, honestly. Voice isolation on AirPod Pros. Notes, oh, live audio transcription. Okay, that's not bad. Collapsible sections. Journal. We have a journal, everyone. Apple TV app. Now, does that mean you could use like, oh, you use your iPhone as a remote controller? I was just about to ask, does that mean you can use your iPhone as a remote controller? Okay. Home app. Let's see. Guest access helps you manage how and when people can enter your home. Hands-free unlock magically unlock doors as you approach simply by carrying iPhone in a bag or pocket or wearing an Apple Watch. Oh, okay. So you can unlock doors. So if you have one of those smart doors, for your car, of course, but I'm thinking more for your house as well, because I know some people have smart doors. Okay, see, robot vacuum cleaner support. Okay. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. I do like the idea of this. I wonder what vacuums are going to support it and whatnot. Okay, view your home electricity use. Easily access and understand your home electricity use right from the home app. Eligible Pacific Gas and Electric Company users can connect their utility account to view their electricity usage and rate plan information. Okay. Privacy and security, very important actually. Decide which contacts to share an app rather than giving access to all your contacts. Oh, okay. So you can just basically decide the, yeah, okay. Hair accessories with greater privacy, improved Bluetooth privacy. I didn't even know you could pair an regular karaoke. See, it said karaoke. I didn't know you could pair a karaoke mic to your iPhone. I guess it's a Bluetooth device, so that technically makes sense. That checks out, guys. That checks out. And so much more. Accessibility, eye tracking makes it possible for people to control the iPhone with just their eyes. Music, haptic, syncs the iPhone, okay, with the rhythm of the song. So those who are deaf or hard of hearing can enjoy the Apple Music catalog and vocal shortcuts. Helps people with severe atypical speech record sounds that trigger specific actions on an iPhone. And then we have calculator. Access the all-new Math Notes calculator. A new portrait orientation for the scientific calculator. Okay, that makes sense because back in my day in school, I used to use a scientific calculator, but yeah. Apple Fitness Plus lets you jump right into a personalized workout. Oh, okay. So you can record and transcribe a live call directly from the app. Okay, you can also search history more easily. Okay, so this is what's going to be, this is a preview of what's coming with the iOS 18. And these are I guess these are the phones that it's compatible with. Let's see, of course, 16, all the 16s, all the 15s, all the 14s, all the 13s, all the 12s, looks like all the 11s, the iPhone XS, XX, XS Max, XR, and SE. So basically, but it's only SE second generation or later. That makes sense. Because there was an SE that most people don't remember. I believe it took the same chassis as the 4S, I think. Yeah. Anyway, let me know which feature you guys are excited for the most. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.